What's up, Lincoln Charter School? This is Mr. Way. We're back. It's Monday with Mr. Way's Math Facts. I told you on Friday we were going to start this week in division. Actually, we'll be doing division all week this week. Then we'll get into something different on Friday to prepare for Monday. But today we're going to start on division. And I'm going to go over about 3 or 4 problems with you. Then I'll give you one problem that I want you to answer in the comment section. So let's jump right into our division problems. As you see, I worked them out kind of for you already. Just taking you step by step so you can see how I did it the same way we did it when we was in the classroom. It's no different here. The first one we had, it was 428 divided by 2 right here. So we had to look to see how many times could 2 go into 4 evenly. We said 2, so we put the 2 down. 2 times 2 equals 4. We put our 4 down, we subtracted. We got 0. I put my drop down arrow down to remember to bring the 2 down. So it gave us an answer of 2 because 4 minus 4 is 0. We brought down the 2. So how many times can 2 go into 2 evenly? We said 1 because 1 times 2 equals 2. Put our subtraction sign. We subtracted. 2 minus 2 gave us 0. We put down the drop down arrow again. We brought our 8 down. And we had to figure out how many times can 2 go into 8 evenly. We said 4 because 4 times 2 equals 8. Put our subtraction sign and we subtracted, we got 0. So it gave us an answer of 214. That came out even, as you can see right there. So here we go. Moving on. We had our next problem, which was 275 divided by 5. It's 275 divided by 5. Right here, we had to figure out, can 5 go into 2? We said no. So we put a 0 down. 0 times 5 is 0. We put our 0 down. We subtracted 2 minus 0 equals 2. Put our drop down arrow down to bring the 7 down. Give us a final answer of 27. How many times can 5 go into 27 evenly? We said 5 because 5 times 5 equals 25. We put our subtraction sign and we subtracted. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 7 minus 5 gave us 2. So 25 minus 27 was 2. Put my drop down arrow down. So I remember to bring my 5 down. We got a final answer here of 25. How many times can 5 go into 25 evenly? We said 5 because 5 times 5 equals 25. We put our subtraction sign down and subtracted 25 from 25. Came out to 0. So our final answer here was 55. Everybody with me so far? We answered the first 2 problems. All right, we're going to move on to number 3. In number 3, right here, we had 285 divided by 3. Kind of the same problem. We had to see if 3 can go into 2. We said no, it can't. So we put a 0 down. 0 times 3 equals 0. So we put our subtraction sign. 2 minus 0 gave us 2. Put our drop down arrow down to bring the 8 down, which gave us a final answer here of 28. So we said how many times can 3 go into 28? We said 9 times because 9 times 3 equals 27. We subtracted. 28 minus 27 gave us an answer of 1. Then I put my drop down arrow down. Remember to bring the 5 down. Gave us an answer here of 15. So how many times can 3 go into 15 evenly? We said 5 because 5 times 3 equals 15. We put our 15 down. We subtracted and we got 0, giving us a final answer of 95. 285 divided by 3 is 95. Hold that up here. Give you time. You can copy it down on your paper. You can go back and watch the videos so you can see the steps that I took. Remember to always put your drop down arrows down so you know which number you're working on. I know sometimes in class that got a little confusing. Numbers got jumbled up. You see how I'm keeping all my numbers in order. Moving on, we have number 4 here. In number 4, we got 620 divided by 4. So we said, how many times can 4 go into 6? We said 1 time, because 1 times 4 equals 4. Put our subtraction sign down. We subtracted 6 minus 4, gave us 2. We have our drop down arrow down. We brought our 2 down, giving us an answer of 22. Now, how many times can 4 go into 22 evenly? We said 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. Put our subtraction sign down. You subtracted 20. 22 minus 20 gave us an answer of 2. Again, we put our drop down arrow down, bringing the 0 down, which gave us an answer of 20. Now we got to see how many times can 4 go into 20 evenly. Of course, we said 5, because 5 times 4, again, is 20. We put our subtraction sign, we subtracted, and it came out to 0, giving us a final answer of 155. So right here, we went through 4 division problems. We went through them kind of quick. You can see the work that I did. Then you see the 5th problem down here, which I want you to figure out on your own and put your answer in the comment section below. We have 738 divided by 3. That's your problem for tomorrow. 738 divided by 3. Put your answer in the comment section. Remember, 738 divided by 3. Put your answer in the comment section for tomorrow, because that's where we're going to start at tomorrow. And I'll see y'all. Make sure if you go outside, you cover up, stay corona free, stay safe. This is Mr. Way, and I will see you on Tuesday.